said when you around me, treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about you.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, y'all. Before you even get into my video, make sure you give this video a like, a comment, and share this video. Today's video, y'all, this is gonna be my first time doing a quick weave on a cap. I know what y'all thinking. Girl, you sure you gonna do that? But yes, y'all. I'm gonna try it out. And we just gonna see how it turn out, okay? So yeah, y'all, by any further ado, let's get right into the video.
Larry said when you around me, treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub?
Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, y'all. So I'm gonna be showing you exactly what I did to even start this whole process. Right now, as you can see, I was molding my hair down, y'all, because I just felt like it was gonna lay better with my hair being laid down. So this is gel that I'm putting on my hair right now.
Used to be your rider, you meant to handle me. Used to be not violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your violent with me. Now I'm at your silent treatment. That means no permission, no missionary getting boring.
Okay, y'all, so I wanted to blow dry my hair, y'all. Feel free to tie your hair down. I really didn't have the patience to like wait overnight for that. So as you see, I'm putting on the cap. And I just sprayed some Got to Be glue spray on it, like just so the cap wouldn't go nowhere. Okay, y'all, so there's just a few things that I'm going to be using while I do this hairstyle. Okay, y'all, so the first thing I wanted to do was unroll the tracks because they come in rolled up. So I wanted to start from the back, and I just did corner to corner, and I cut it, and then I put glue on it all the way across. Okay, after I do that, I will blow dry it just to make sure it's secured and it's not going nowhere. Okay, y'all, so I just repeat this same step until I get about halfway of my head.
Used to be your rider, you meant to handle me. Used to be not violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your violent with me. Now I'm at your silent treatment. That means no permission, no missionary getting boring. You switch positions. Hard to say your song, you don't ever listen, no. I've been down, baby. Heavy reminiscing. Heavy on the missing. You don't wish it. wonder if I hate you. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make it feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. If you wonder if I hate you. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make it feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this.
Move on since no one's here. You know what you got is good. That's why you refuse.
Okay, y'all, so I finished the rest off camera. Like, it was really getting frustrated a little bit, but I did it, y'all. So now I'm just gonna take my first let me plug up my hot comb, because yes, you definitely need that.
That's why you didn't got left by one at a time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay coordinate. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause a house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, keep wasting my time.
Whew. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. It's cute. I still might play with it and do me like some, you know what I'm saying? Because I still need some, like, you know, but